So guys, today here I come with another useful video for you, and so today I'm going to replace the screen of iPhone XS, and it will be similar for all other iPhone models as well. So this is my phone, and if I turn it on, let's see, I'll show you guys how the screen looks like. See, so it is all broken and scattered, and the glass is all scattered. And so first thing you need to do is turn it off. You don't have to turn it on. So the phone is off, and I have these tools. I'll show you guys what things you need. So if you order the screen replacement, it will come up with all the necessary tools like this one. And this is prying tool, and these are the screwdrivers, and this is suction cup I have here, and there is the screen. As you can see, this is the temper glass as well I have, and this is the screen which I am going to replace. So first thing you need to do is you have to unscrew two screws at the bottom of your charging area, charging port, whatever you name it, and keep it separately. So you don't want to mix all the screws and later on get confused which one is for which slot. So yeah. So this is on, and I'll start prying it. So this is the prying tool. It came up with the screen, and it might be like a little bit tricky, and I don't want to like insert whole lot depth. See, the screens are all broken, so it is hard for me to like take this out. Okay, yeah, so let me see. I think I need to take the LCD out. Why I am struggling here is I wanted to save the original washer to keep the washer water resistant as it before, but I think that's why I am struggling to take this LCD out, sorry, screen out. So I am going to take the LCD first, and we'll take the panel inside out. Okay, now LCD is already out, and I'm going to take this back panel. And you have to be careful here. You don't want to twist or break any cables inside, so do it slowly, and keep using the pry tool, and do not insert the prying tool more. Okay, so just the tip only. If you insert more, so you will end up having the cable and the cable twisted, or the other problem it might cause. Okay, so as you can see, the screen is off now. So I have a couple of Y screws need to take out, and disconnect all these battery cable, and take actually the LCD cable. And keep them in very safe place. You don't want to lose them. These are very tiny, and you might lose it very easily. So keep them in very safe place. And there are not many, 4 or 5 screws altogether. So yeah, all these are out, and so just slowly take this out as well, and keep this aside. And now you need to disconnect the battery first, and the screen as well. Okay, so disconnect it, and this is for LCD, I think. Okay, disconnect it. Okay, so there is, okay, now it is gone. As you can see, I might have pried the frame a little bit, which might cause trouble, but yeah, this is off now completely. So interesting thing, I take the panel out, but still the frame is left, so I also have to take this out. And be gentle with this. And you see this gooey tape over here to keep the water resistant. You can keep it there, and if you have the replacement for that, you can like take that completely off as well. And so here is another thing I might have to be gentle with. So let's see, I'll keep this side, and I'll find out where it is connected to. So it is connected to this slot, means I need to take this out as well. So I hope you are seeing my screen. If not, I'll zoom it. So this is completely out, but I think if I look into my LCD, I don't see this cable being connected here. So what I might have to do is keep this safely and attach it with the LCD I have. So I want to keep this part safe. Yeah, it is like this one. Okay, yeah, I have taken this out and I need to put this back. So let me think. This is the speaker, guys. So I need to keep this safely and put it back in the original position. And I don't need this this plastic frame, and I need the rest of the part. So bear with me. And it is now okay. So this part I don't need because it already has that part. So you can see, so it has the plastic frame over here and you don't need this one. So the rest of the part, you keep this like here for now. And if you don't need this, you don't need that later. And if you need that, you need to have that. And keep all the parts connected and like make sure you are not breaking anything while doing this job. So this is a little bit critical. And then now I'll have to connect it. So yeah, I'll show you a little closer. So I have put this in this original position. So you have to keep this and align this and put the 3 screws back, and then it should be ready. So yeah, I have put it back. I think I am hoping everything is now connected, and I haven't like disconnected it anymore. I'll check when I am going to connect it to battery later on, but for now I'll screw it. Okay, now I think I have firmly connected all these screws, and this is not moving, and it should be good to go now. So before you connect these screens, so take the batteries connection out first so that you don't make the short circuit. So this is the battery cable. It is out now. I don't want to connect that. And if you have the like replacement for this GUI thing, you need to take this out. Or if it is like kind of clean and safe, you can keep it there. I have this, so I'm going to take this out. So bear with me one more time. And do it slowly. It will come off clean and nice. If you do it fast, so you will have a little trouble taking this out. So yeah, this is pretty straightforward. You just need to do it as smooth as you can. So yeah, I have taken all these out and it is nice and clean. So if you're like these areas, corners are too dirty, you can wipe it out. This is the only time you can do this. Otherwise, you'll have to take this screen out. And I'm going to check that, how dirty it is. So for me, I think it is not that much. And I am okay without wiping this out as well. So, and do not put more dust in here. Okay, so this is the part I'm going to put that washer back again. So take this out like this and wipe it out, and this will help to make more water resistant as you make it clean. So clean it as you can, but not necessarily put your more effort over here. That is not required. So I'll show you how to put this back as well. So you need to have like a measurement first. So this is the right way of doing it, and do not peel the both ways out. Okay, so be careful. So just peel the first big panel out from here and slowly, okay, do not want to stick any hair or any particles over there. And So this should come up with your screen size. If not, order the actual screen size GUI or washer, whatever you name it, and be careful on sticking this as well. So go from the corner to corner and check if those are aligning, and then slowly, do not bend it, and slowly squeeze it out and squeeze it out, and you should end up in the good alignment. And use these smaller tools to squeeze and stick in the corner side. So yeah, be careful though. And see, so this is easier, but you have to be careful all the time while playing around with this kind of like stuff. These are so micro stuff, and once you lose it, you lose it. And like try to stick them properly, otherwise when you peel this plastic cover out, make sure it doesn't come off with that, and you will not be able to stick that back again. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm going to take this stuff out. I think I did a little bit misalignment over here, but that should be fine now. So take this out, so you have, see, it is not sticking. That means if it is coming along with this plastic cover, then you need to again put a little bit force to stick that. Do not put more force though, just in the corner, just a little bit, and blow it out. I'm using my mouth to blow. I just learned a trick, guys. So if this GUI thing is coming along with this plastic, so just rub it here and stick. See, it should come like that. And if you break this thing, then you have to be careful, okay? So if you break that thing, then just stick it back with plastic cover, and then pull slowly, and do not, and keep rubbing and pull it slowly. Do not apply more force. Okay, so now it is come. Okay, now it's time for me to put the screen back, and so to do that, what I have to do is I have to align it, and this will be like this one. And first and foremost, I will attach this one. And to do this, so I'm sorry guys if you are not, like, the view is kind of a little bit blocked for you, so I will show you once I'm done. Put it in the right place, just tap it, and it should snap. So yeah, this is locked. And another thing I have to do is, so align it properly. Okay, so you don't have to be like this much worried, but yeah, just and use this snapping tool or pry tool to put these guys back in place. Okay, so this goes, this is the LCD flex, and once you find the slot, just snap it. Okay, two of those are snapped in, and now I finally need to do for battery that I took out to connect these, and make sure everything else are connected, and just check them quick. And so these are all connected. Now I'll switch on the battery, phone, and then we'll check. See, now this is working fine, so I'll quickly check the torch as well, and then that's it. I'll have to like put the screws back after that. See, so swipe up. Okay, now it is working. Okay, now I'll again switch this off. So this is working as expected. I'll set up the iPhone later. Okay, this is gone. Now what I have to do is I have to put this back, and to do this I will put this in its place, and then put the screws. Okay, so I am working with one hand, guys, so I'm sorry if it is blocking you, but I'll have to make sure I don't break anything. And up. Okay, I had kept all these screws back here, and then now I'll go one by one. Okay, this is so alrighty. So I have kept all these screws back in here, and now I will lock the LCD. So, and again just be gentle and be nice with this, and do not, so you do not break anything. Just snap it like that, and go around the screen and just snap it. Do not put more force over there until and unless you have aligned it properly. And now just rub the side so that it sticks on the gooey thing that we put before. So check every corner, every edge, and then snap it if it is not locked. And okay, now it seems fine, and I'll put this screw back. So this goes here. Okay. Just lock it. Okay, now it is locked. Now I think it is fine. So that's it, guys. Check one more time. Okay, so this is easy. So if you like take this out in the service center, so they will charge you a couple $100, 100, 200 maybe, depends. And if you do it at home and with these steps, quick and easy steps, so you will end up paying only 35, 40 or $50 for your screen. So if you like want to try it out, so this is way easier. Okay, now yeah, this is working. So I still have this plastic here, so this is the torch is a little bit rough now, but if I take this out, it will be smoother. And the thing I will have to check is the camera and all. I'll show that once I set up the iPhone. Okay, phone is all set, and I'll check the camera. So okay, to this one, and flip the camera. Front camera is working fine as well. And then what else? Okay, so it is working, and touch is smooth, and everything is fine.
The lows of bipolar depression
Okay,
feel
now
darkest before dawn. With Capulina, there's a chance to let the light shine.
And fine. So yeah, that's all, guys. Do it yourself. Don't pay more.